Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to my advanced tutorial series. If you're looking for some more beginner builders tutorial series, check out the link in the description for that playlist. So today I'm going to be showing you just a few tips and tricks on how to create and delete walls and fences without having to keep switching your tools around on your keyboard or through the tool menu on the top of the screen. So the first thing I want to show you is obviously if you are in your wall tool, you can draw a wall just by clicking and dragging. And if you want to place in a room, an actual like square or rectangular room, you use the room tool and again click and drag to make it as big or as small as you want. So let's say you don't feel like switching in between those tools for any reason. When you're in the wall tool, you can actually hit shift on your keyboard and it can place a room instead of a wall. And alternatively, same thing, if you're placing a room, you can actually hold shift and then it'll just draw a straight wall instead of an entire room. Now, a second cheat, I guess, not cheat, a tip and trick that I want to show you is how to delete walls without having to go into your sledgehammer tool. And this one also works on fences. So let's say we have a straight wall here that we drew and we decided, oh gosh, maybe we don't want it here at all, or we want to remove just a few of the panels. You can hold Control on your keyboard and just retrace the wall and it'll delete it. So you don't have to use the sledgehammer tool. You can delete all of it or some of it. It works on the rooms as well, but again, it's just kind of, it works for one panel at a time. So just hold Control and it'll get rid of it that way. So that works with fences. Let me just show you real quick how to do that. It is pretty much exactly the same way. So to place a fence by drawing, you have to hit the upper option here, place fence by drawing. Again, you could draw the fence by just clicking and dragging, and then you could hold Control and go back over it and it'll delete it. Now, I do also want to show you really quick that this will also work with pools. I think that's another good object or item that it works with. So let's say we have a big pool right here and we decided we want to have little cutouts on the end so that it's angled instead of, I don't know, shapes. You'll see what I mean. Again, you can hold Control, so when you click and drag with the custom tool, or any of the tools, I guess, if you're holding Control, it'll remove that part of the pool. Now that's also a way to maybe add some grass on the inside. Let's say you wanted to create a bridge or something like that. Again, hold Control and you can just put little cutouts there, or you can create little islands inside of the pool. Okay, so that is the Control key and what it does. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and I will see you next time. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.